Installing the SD card. The SD card slot is located at the back of the camera. Unscrew the screw, open the card slot cover, and put the SD card in. Wireless connection. After the device is powered on, scan the QR code on the back of the device. When you hear the voice prompt or the indicator light is flashing blue, click Next. After entering the Wi-Fi password, connect the device hotspot Tenda. After the connection is successful, return to the app. After hearing the voice prompt of successful connection, the wireless connection of the device is successful. You can view the video image in the preview interface. Wired connection. After powering on the device, insert the network cable. Scan the QR code on the back of the device. Click the wired connection in the upper right corner of the app. Select the corresponding device, and after hearing the voice prompt of successful connection, the wired connection of the device is successful. You can view the video image in the preview interface. Cloud storage. After the new device is activated, you can click Cloud Storage in the preview interface to receive 3 months of free cloud storage. There is no time and space limit, and the video is not afraid of loss.